Yo, 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 Ghetto Fish 360, what's poppin', people? This is so dumb. I've got myself a female parrotfish, Lulu. I think it's Lulu, I can't remember. Anyway, and the bloody Severums from Uncle Brew, and these two guys are trying to pair off. How dumb is this? Obviously, these guys can't actually pair off. Well, they can pair off, but not fertilise and fry. This one here is a female. I thought it was a female. I might be wrong. I'm not quite sure on Severums. This parrot is definitely a female. But the way this one's acting, proper aggressive. I should put him in a 7-foot teaching lesson. Let's even be from the one at the back. Is that a boy or girl? Anyway, people, help me out to see if this is a boy or girl, because I'm not quite sure. It's acting bare mad. But anyway, this is Ghetto Fish 360, just showing you off a Severum paired off of a parrotfish. Sorry about the glass. Proper dirty. Turtle. Oh yeah. This is a video on the mad Severums. Is that a girl or boy? Leave comments below, please. Anyway, this is Ghetto Fish 360 out. Peace.